In this Dell Support video, we'll walk you through how to troubleshoot no video on your external monitor. Let's start with the most common cause of display issues, loose or incorrect connections. Make sure the monitor power cable is securely plugged into both the wall outlet and the monitor. A monitor without power cannot display video. Then check the video cable connection between the computer and the monitor. Ensure the cable is firmly connected at both ends. If you are using HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA, confirm that the cable matches the available ports. A mismatched or loose cable can prevent video signal transmission. If any cable appears damaged, worn, or bent, replace it with a known working cable. Next, we'll use the monitor's on-screen display menu, often called the OSD menu, to check the input setting. The input source must match the cable being used, such as HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA. If the wrong input source is selected, the monitor will show a blank screen even if everything is connected properly. Selecting the correct input ensures the monitor receives the video signal from the computer. If the monitor still shows no image, run the built-in self-test to check if the display hardware is working. Dell monitors include a feature called built-in Diagnostics, or integrated self-test. This test helps determine whether the problem is with the monitor or the computer. Turn off both the computer and the monitor. Disconnect the video cable from the monitor while leaving the power cable connected. Turn the monitor back on. If the monitor is functioning correctly, a floating dialog box or test screen will appear. This indicates that the monitor hardware is working and the issue may be with the computer or video signal. After the test, turn off the monitor, reconnect the video cable, and restart both devices. A successful self-test confirms that the monitor itself is not the source of the problem. If you're still having no video issues after completing the previous steps, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel for more Dell Support troubleshooting.